Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, haircut ideas, options, and styles that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of shaking up your boring strands and you're in need of some major hair inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a gorgeous angled bob style. This one features hair longer in the front, shorter in the back. Beautiful, and it does feature a nice asymmetrical shape as well. This is absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see someone who has shoulder length hair. So the stylist chops away at her strands. Oh, looks like she ended up getting a nice, fresh, simplistic mini bob haircut. Very nice, and this is a great style if you're looking for something with a low maintenance option. Next up, we see someone who has hair just past their shoulders. Looks like the stylist did another really pretty mini bob haircut. This one features longer bangs in the front. Absolutely stunning transformation. And then we see someone with rather long hair, and she decided to cut things into a lob. She also went darker, cutting off her color at the ends. Beautifully done. So then we see someone with blue hair. She has kind of like a mullet here, like a shaggy mullet style. love the texture that the stylist created with this. This is a great summer hair option if you don't want to use a lot of heat on your hair. And then we see someone with long hair. The stylist has the scissors. And she big chops. Looks like she's gonna be getting a Pixie haircut. Wow. So then we see someone, she does have like a very soft bronzy color, a bronzy orange hue. So she's dyed the hair and cut it into a pixie style. Very pretty. Very nice choppy layers within the cutting. Beautifully done. So I hope you guys were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.